Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. It's really easy, and the first step what you need to do here is to go on the settings on your iPhone, and then you need to go on the Bluetooth and make sure to have Bluetooth toggle on, and this green button is on. And once you do that, on your controller what you need to do here is in the same time press PlayStation home button and share button, and you need to hold it for a few seconds. Wait until little lights, as you can see here from the controller, starts blinking, and then as you can see here on screen we have DualShock 4 wireless controller, so press on that. And as you can see here, when your controller turns to light turns to into the orange color, your controller is connected to your iPhone, and now you can play iPhone games with a controller. And if you want to connect your controller to PS4 again, what you need to do here is to go on your controller here and forget this device. And after you do that, then connect your USB cable to your controller here. And as you can see here, press on the PlayStation button and it should work. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.